Hi, Sir Madam. I'm Janeline Francisco, 39 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic. We are seven in the family. I'm the fourth. I'm graduated as a Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration. I worked before as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing, ironing clothes. Sometimes I also do the walking of some pets. I can take good care of children. I can take them a bath, bring them to school, and sometimes tutoring and give them foods and vitamins as prescribed by the doctor. Hi sir, madam. Please hire me because I am willing to learn how to speak Cantonese and how to cook Chinese foods. I can also cook Filipino foods. Uh, I can do I promise I will do everything. I will follow the rules and regulations inside the house. Please hire me and I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, sir, madam.